Hello, welcome to KreadoAI. Today, let's talk about how to quickly use KreadoAI in 5 steps to create your own AI video. First, select the AI digital human avatar you like. KreadoAI offers 300 digital avatars. You'll always find what you're looking for. Then click Preview button to see how the avatar's action looks. This will help you get the most suitable avatars. In the second step, we need to provide a voice script. Just directly enter text in the text box, or use AI copywriting to get text. Enter keywords, select the number of words to generate. View and select the copy, click Use Text. You can also use audio-driven to get your text script. To upload the audio for video generation, please make sure that the audio you upload is MP3 format, clear and pronounced evenly, and the file must be less than 10 minutes and 50 megabits. In the third steps, just select language, country, gender, tone style, and use case. Additionally, you can enter keywords to search for specific voice tones. After choosing a suitable voice tone and applying it, you can adjust the speed and pitch to your liking in the bottom right corner. Enhance your video with templates. Supports both 16:9 and 9:16 formats, backgrounds. You can choose color or images and videos to suit different scenarios. And so many text and elements. Use music from our resource library. After the video is completed, click Generate Video. Click Start Generating Video. Choose Check the Progress or Continue Creating. Go to My Project. You will see the video generation progress. If you are satisfied, you can download it from the right side, or share the video with your friends. Copy links, or post to your preferred social media platforms. Doesn't it seem easy after watching the tutorial? Now you can give it a try too. Go ahead and create your own creative video.